It was a good day for Sesa-Goa, JSW Steel and Kalyani Steel yesterday after the Supreme Court lifted a 1.5-year-old iron ore mining ban in Karnataka. For the specifics, let's take it across to Nitya Balakrishnan.
Well, it is a verdict that the entire mining practice, especially steel companies, had a close eye on indeed. And with the Supreme Court ruling that 63 mines across Category B in Karnataka, companies could resume mining operations there, a definite breather to a whole host of giants. We're talking about the likes of Kalyani Steel, JSW Steel, and of course Sesa-Goa amongst others, which have significant iron ore reserves in that area. But remember, the Supreme Court verdict does not come without riders. We're given to understand conditions include it will be a 5 crore compensation per hectare for any kind of encroached area apart from the mining lease region for the company. Also 1 crore rupees per hectare if there has been any unlawful dumping or disposal of garbage apart from the mining lease region. We're given to understand reclamation and rehabilitation will have to be initiated by the company and completed before any kind of indication of restarting operations, and it will be the CEC and the management committee that has to go ahead and vet restarting of operations from any kind of company as far as Karnataka B mines go. Now, the Supreme Court also ruled on C category mines in the region and very clearly indicating that 41 mines in that region, there will be no lifting of the mining ban. All licenses currently will stand cancelled, and it will be a fresh round of auctions that will be initiated to carry forth mining in that region. But with the category B ban mining in Karnataka being lifted, a big boost indeed for the steel pack.
It is definitely a relief after almost 2 years of closure. So we're looking forward to resume our production very soon after receiving the necessary clearance. No, R&R has been substantially progressed. That is why the Supreme Court has issued the order for all the A and B category mines. So that portion is already on track. So there is no timeline required for that. We need to have the one clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest for the forest clearance renewal, and we expect in a matter of days to receive that.